Hey, Walter here from Tactful AI. Tactful AI allows you to create personalized outbound campaigns based on previous customer interactions, which helps you stay engaged, drive more sales, and boost customer loyalty. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to create your first campaign. For the sake of this tutorial, let's assume you have an online store and you want to create a campaign retargeting people who purchased a specific product. In order to create a campaign over Facebook Messenger, please make sure that your Facebook page is connected as a channel to your account. Without further ado, let's get started. From the left menu, open the Campaigns Manager. On this page, you should see all of your live and ended campaigns. If you don't have any, it will look like my screen. Click Get Started to create a new campaign. I will name it Retargeting Buyers. Make sure to give it a proper name so you don't lose track of it when you have many campaigns in the future. After that, from the Channels menu, choose your Facebook channel. In that section, you will find a number of targeted audience that your campaign can potentially reach. Then, choose the campaign's type. There are 6 types of push campaigns that Facebook allows you to send. Each has its own cons, pros, and a time frame. We will dive deeper into these types in another tutorial. Since I'm targeting recent buyers, I'm choosing Post-Purchase Update. Then, click Filter Customers to narrow down and filter your audience based on their previous interactions and behavior. From this dialog, you can add one or more criteria to narrow down your targeting. In this example, I'm going to retarget users who recently purchased a specific product. Click Add to include it in your filtration, then OK. After setting up your filtration, you will find the number of your targeted audience has dropped to match your potential reach. Next, it's time to set up your message. There are 6 types of formats you choose from. Text, which is a plain text message, duh. Image, video, text with buttons, card, and carousel. Well, now we're talking. Basically, it's a bunch of cards. Each card includes an image, title, description, and a button, which can trigger an action, call a phone number, or allows the user to visit your website. In this example, I would like my users to browse my store's products through the bot. Then add a new card, and so on. Next, scheduling. You can launch your campaign right away or schedule it for a specific date and time. I'm kinda in a rush to show you the results. And boom! Here you have it. For more information, please check out Tactful's knowledge base, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join our Facebook community.